Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will explore how to choose the repeating decimal notation in the Photomath app. This feature allows you to customize how repeating decimals are displayed in your calculations. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Photomath app on your device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left. Then, select Settings from the menu options. After that, find and select the Repeating Decimal Notation option. You will see two different formats for displaying repeating decimals. Choose the one that you prefer, based on your personal preference or the style you find easiest to read. Finally, your selection will be applied immediately, and all repeating decimals will now appear in the format you selected. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.